Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel device. In front of me Google Pixel 7 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up family link, how to set up parental control on this phone. Okay, firstly you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's device. So open settings, then scroll down, choose passwords and accounts, find here Google account and click remove account not afraid. If you remove account only on this device, Google account will not be removed on the Google system. So okay, remove child's Google account and now add really child's Google account with a password that only you will know, because if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link, but we don't want it. Okay, so you need to create the account with the password that only you will know. So create it for the child. When you will create this account, you can choose for whose you creating this account, for you, for your firm, or for child. Choose for child and create it. Then just open Google and sign into this child's account. So I will log in. Enter child's email and enter child's password. Click next. Click I agree. Wait while backup to Google Drive. Okay, just accept. Cool. Now go back to main menu settings. Then choose Google. Scroll down. Choose parental controls and click get started. Here choose child or T. Click next. Now choose your account, and now you need to link child's account to your parent account, to your real parent account. So enter your email account. I will enter my email account. Click next, enter password. Click more, and now enter child's password to confirm supervising. Click agree, click allow supervision. Click next, manage apps. So just enable or disable apps here. For example, you can't disable podcast. Interesting. Okay, on this step just click next. You not need to set up anything on this step. Just click next. One moment, click next. Skip. Stay in the loop. No, just go back to the home screen. Now take your phone. In my case I have iPhone, but you can use any Android phone too. So just take your phone in your hand and find Family Link application. Find it in App Store or in Play Store and download it. Then just click next. Click continue. Does your child have a Google account? Yes, my child have a Google account. Settings, then parental controls from people, and parental control. Follow the step. Done. And here you will see your child's Google account. You just link to your parent Google account. So now click on it, scroll down, and here you will see all linked phones to this child's Google account. As you can see, I have a lot of phones here because I'm testing bypassing of Google Family Link and setuping of Google Family Link. So I have a lot of devices here, but you will have only 1-2 devices. Just by clicking on it, you can disable this phone, you can restrict this phone, or you can, I don't know, block applications, separate application, or set the time for separate application. For example, I want to block IDK. For example, I want to block recorder application for the child. How can I do it? Just find no activity today or activities today, icon block, click more, choose limits, and now find here wallet app. Okay, Google Wallet. Click on the sandwich button. You can always allow it, you can block it or set limit. I want to block it, so click block, wait a while, and as you can see, Google Wallet was successfully blocked on the child's phone. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.